29 forecast.
And we're kicking off this first weekend of springtime with gray, gloomy, damp conditions. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. This is the live view from the top of Wintergreen, where we are dealing with low visibility, areas of thick fog, low clouds, and also across central Virginia and the Shenandoah Valley in the lower elevations, even some dense fog out this way. If you look at the legend, that's under a mile visibility. So, allow some extra drive time if you're going to be out and about the next few hours, as we'll be dealing with areas of rain as well. In that first forecast, temperatures on the chilly side in the 40s, so it's a damp chill for those racers, those runners out there for the Charlottesville 10-miler. And then by midday, the bulk of the rain is gone, and much of the daylight hours today will be stuck in the 50s. However, by the end of the day, here's 5 p.m., we should have a surge of milder air in the low, if not mid-70s. It all depends on how fast that sun comes out. And the faster the sunshine comes on out today, the better chance for an isolated evening downpour that may pose a damaging wind gust threat. Right now, temperatures are on the cooler side, mostly in the 40s with a light northeast breeze locking in those cooler conditions. Last evening, we had a band of rain push on through as a warm front tried to lift on to the north, but right now that front has pretty much stalled off to our south. That's why it is on the cooler side this morning. Now, we didn't see a whole lot of rainfall yesterday, basically under a quarter-inch of rainfall for most of you. To the north, though, Culpeper, Madison County, Northern Orange, you picked up a little more than a half-inch of rainfall, and there will definitely be more rain on the way here today. Now, the live Doppler is showing not a whole lot of steady rain, but we are seeing drizzle and mist under the radar beam as the rain is very low in the atmosphere. So mist and drizzle for the next couple of hours, but the steadier rainfall is still well to our west, but you'll notice it coming across the Appalachians into West Virginia, Southwest Virginia, into the areas of western North Carolina. Now, this is all going to be pushing on off to the east. That will give us this band of rain with some downpours as well between mid to late morning. I'm also watching this bubble of cooler air over the Midwest. This is what will come through here by this evening with another chance for an isolated downpour, and that's when any little downpour or thundershower could pose a damaging wind risk. So we're in an isolated severe weather category for the end of the day, but the bottom line, it will turn gusty. Those northwesterly breezes will begin to pick on up later on today into this evening, and then they'll turn to the northwest by tomorrow when temperatures on the cooler side to start next week. So here's our high-res weather tracker. 8 o'clock this morning has a great handle on things, moving that band of rain and downpours through I-64 and also the Route 29 corridor. And then by late morning, midday, the bulk of the rain is out of here. Clouds linger, and then by the end of the day, there's 5 p.m., a new isolated downpour risk, and those are the ones that could pose a damaging wind threat. And then by tomorrow morning, clearer skies, more sunshine, a lighter breeze, and expect it to turn on the wetter side at times on Monday. So Monday, another chance of rain will push on through, followed by a break in the rainfall Tuesday, Wednesday with lower temperatures, more seasonable to start next week. And then by, say, mid to late week, another chance for some rainfall around here. And it will turn a little cooler. So we're going to say goodbye to the 70s of this weekend and hello to daytime highs, mostly in the 50s and 60s going into next week. For today, though, in your Storm Team 29 report, morning rain, and then isolated downpour, a cool start but a mild finish. For tonight, mainly clear skies and a brisk evening with lows in the upper 40s and low 50s. Your Sunday forecast, sunshine, dry and mild in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Here's your 7-day forecast. More seasonable on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, upper 50s to mid 60s, and a few rain showers on Monday, followed by another chance of rain perhaps by Friday. So the warmest day will be Sunday, also the nicest day, Kagan.
Even better. A nice day to end the weekend.
Yeah, kind of a 50-50 weekend. Not so great for the runners this morning, but hey, at least they won't really break a sweat.
Yeah, and they'll cool off as they're going, so even better.